want to pack on ripped, head-turning muscles in record time? Do you want to be full of energy, strong, and healthy? Do you want to see what it feels like to be in the best shape of your life? If so, then this may be the most important video you will ever see. Here's why. Tens of thousands of guys like you have gone from skinny, fat, or really out of shape to rock solid and ripped in just a few months, using a strange breakthrough that has shocked the fitness community across the world. Introducing the Somanabolic Muscle Maximizer. This strange nutrition system explodes lean muscle growth without any fat. Creator and nutritionist Kyle Leon refers to the system's secret as Somanabolic Nutrition. Kyle Leon developed and used Somanabolic Nutrition to pack on and keep 21 pounds of pure lean muscle in just under 8 weeks to earn himself a professional fitness model contract. And now he's helping thousands of out-of-shape guys across the world to create the body of their dreams. The problem with traditional bodybuilding programs is they add rolls of unhealthy, useless fat when trying to bulk up. This can actually leave you with less muscle and more fat in the long run because traditional bulking creates more fat cells and enlarges the ones you already have. When you abuse your body with enough sloppy amounts of useless calories trying to bulk up, your body has no choice but to make more fat cells, and these fat cells do not go away, ever. This is called fat cell hyperplasia. The worst part is, this is permanent. This means you will store fat easier for the rest of your life. So much for not feeling guilty on cheat days. And to top things off, traditional bulking can cause fluid retention, resulting in that puffy moon face look. It can also lead to serious health issues such as increases in blood pressure and cholesterol, while straining your liver and pancreas along the way. However, Somanabolic Nutrition is all about customizing healthy nutrition for your age, weight, height, metabolism, and most importantly, your somatotype and your weight training regimen to give your body exactly what it needs to pack on pure muscle without fat. Kyle has worked for years with professional bodybuilders, fitness models, and nutritionists to perfect the 4 patented somanabolic formulas that are embedded deep inside the Somanabolic Muscle Maximizer. These 4 formulas will do everything for you and will unlock muscle growth quickly, safely, and naturally in a way you never thought possible. Formula 1 is the Somanabolic Customizer. You'll discover your exact calorie and macronutrient needs to build pure, lean muscle using the system's advanced somatotyping techniques. You will also find out exactly what and when to eat based around your weight training regimen to catapult your body into a 24/7 lean muscle building state. Formula 2